A beautiful example, part exchange to clear. It's one that we sourced and supplied when the car was 3 years old. This is a Volkswagen Golf TDI S 1.6 diesel, 2009 59 plate, with full impeccable service history. It is incredible service history. We've looked after it since the day we supplied it. Every single year it's been back for a service. It's had the all-important Cambelt and water pump replaced as well. Just read all the full service history details. Let's take you around it. Silver leaf metallic, very very clean and tidy. Good size boot on these Golfs, lovely and clean. Spare wheel, toolkit, all there complete. Split folding rear seat. Just 2 owners from new. You really will be amazed at how nice this car is. All the bodywork is almost perfect. It's got the wheel trims on, they've got slightly scuffing, that's all. Good tyres all the way around, all matching tyres. As you can see, there's no dents, no scratches, no scrapes, no little dings. As I mentioned, tyres are all good all round. In fact, it had 2 new tyres not that long ago. All across the front, all the bonnet. You can't believe the mileage this car's done with the condition of the bodywork. It's done 98,000 miles with full service history, as I mentioned. 35 road tax, 60 plus miles per gallon combined according to Volkswagen. So a great family car, spacious car that's cheap to run. So there's the final wheel, the final tyre. Lovely and clean inside. So the black cloth trim, all the door trims in perfect condition, all the upholstery, absolutely beautiful, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, lovely and clean. All the headlining not been knocked about. Again, the driver's door trim, electric front windows, electric mirrors. Again, if you look at the driver's seat, there's hardly anywhere at all for a car of this age. Remember, it's 2009 car. $98,077 is the mileage. 98,077. The Cambelt was replaced in 2019. CD player, air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got 2 sets of keys, we've got a complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. So there we have it, our beautiful Golf 1.6 TDIS, just ticking away nicely, no warning lights on the dashboard, lovely and smooth, lovely and clean under the bonnet. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.